BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean your M1 Garand. BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Alright, so today we are going to be cleaning the M1 Garand, this dirty fella. Yeah, dirty fella. Very dirty fella. So, what we got here is a CLP gun oil. It could be good, it could be a not good brand. Who gives a really rat's ass? I'm just here to clean. You're here to watch me clean, like a good little boy. But we also got our little jizz rag here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and show my lips on display because these sunglasses keep fogging up like a goddamn bushfire. So, what we're gonna do here is just standard procedure: oil, rag, boar snake, the three trio that you always need. So we're just gonna go ahead. So we got our feller opened here, opened up nice for everyone to see. We're gonna go ahead and let you take a look down the barrel. As you have seen, it is clear, obviously. If you can't tell, it's fucking clear after an empty M block comes out. You're retarded. So go ahead and look down that barrel. So look pretty dirty, look a little clean and needed. Well, it's gonna need it anyway, but we're gonna go ahead and look for myself. So, figure out what to do here. Yeah, that can need a bit of a clean, I would say. I mean, I would know. I'm a doctor. So, let's go ahead and get this boy ready for a bathing. Ooh. Alright, let's go ahead and do one of those late night one-night stands and give it a squirt right in the hole. And then, after a few squirts, you take your shoelace in here. I think this is the right bore snake. It should be. Just drop it down. Long way. Yeah, take it the long style. Where is it coming out yet? Okay, it's right out. Right there. And then you want to drag it through. It's going to give you a lot of resistance. Well, I guess it's need a bit of a bigger bore snake, but it should give you a bit of resistance, but that's what you want. Just give it a nice drag down here, but if you look here close, you'll see that there's a few hooks on this guy here. Those are copper hooks. Now they scrape the dust and dirt off, but they don't damage the bore. That's all they really do. That's their purpose in life. You just want to give it a slither down here. It'll come right out the end. I said come. I'm going to go ahead and do a double pass. Never seen before on this channel. Double pass. It's not the fuck. Never mind. Okay, so tangled, diverted. And just slip it in. Nice and gentle. Okay, it hit the bottom. I feel it there. I heard it click. Ooh. Give the old slow slop. That's what you do. Look at that. Now, we have cleaned the barrel. I'm going to go ahead and let you see what we're looking at now. Got it oriented in there. Looking pretty nice. Looking a lot better. You can actually see and enjoy and breathe because you're a person. You are you. Yes. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we got looking at here. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Looking way better, I say. I can see my phone at the end now. Oh, that's lovely. Alright, so let's go ahead and hoist our boy back up here. Oh, scary. We're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Earl and a little spurch down there. Little, I also want to spurch this right in there. And press down on that speed ramp. Come on. Okay, there we go. I'm going to give a little spooch there. And now we're just going to rack it. And that's going to happen a few times. It just spreads the oil out. Makes it a lot smoother of an action. All that stuff. You could use a grease if you want to, but we don't have grease, and I kind of don't want to have my fingies all greased. But just do this however many more times you want. As you can see, that oil is nice and spurtled around there. Makes it smooth as a baby's anus, as they say. There you go. So we're gonna... And that's what Garand thumb is, kids. That really fucking hurt. Okay, so graphic content warning-ish. It's not graphic, but I think it might be oil. A bit of an oil spooch, but that really fucking hurts. Like, really fucking hurts. A lot. That's gonna permeate for the next hour or some shit. Well, you got some more content out of that Garand thumb in a cleaning video. Yeah, this really fucking hurts. Alright, before we do this next bit here, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know the drill. Fuds, roll in your graves. Oh yeah. Yeah, I wanna do that again. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, there's nothing you can do about it. I just dry fired an M1 Garand twice. Yeah. Eat shit. Alright, now it's time to roll up our sleeves. Yeah, roll them up. Roll up our sleeves. Now it's time to roll them up. Roll up the sleeves. Roll them up. Show our fat, flabby arms by rolling up our sleeves. Because it's time to get our pool floaty arms and oil up this boy. Little right there, little there, and two there, because it's a special one. One there, too. You can't leave them all out. You gotta make sure everyone's included. Get the wipe. Look at that sheen. Look at that Charlie sheen. Ooh. Ooh. You've never seen such oiling action before. Whoa. This is the cleanest oiling action ever. You know, let's get a bit of ASMR in here. Let's get right in there. I'm gonna be real quiet. Let's get the top of our Felamabob here. Little dooger, little dooter, little hoogity book, little squirt squirt squat. And rubby rubby rubby. Rub a dub dub. Bunghole in the tub. Rub a dub dub. Fuck. Just keep going. And just get the top here, a little bit of the side. I'll wait for the other side fully. But yeah, I can, even with my sunglasses, I can see just how much of a difference this oil is making. Like, really making this wood pop! Oh, like a dead baby's balloon, yeah. Pop like that. We're gonna go ahead and bottom it up here. All the squirts, I don't even know where that one went. That one just disappeared. It was unimportant. Look at that. Look at that difference. Look at how much this wood is just shining right now. The shinier the wood, the more women will be attended to it. You know what I said. Yeah. You know what I said. Alright, the last hoorah, the little... It didn't go. You know what that means, right? Like and subscribe. Do it. You're already here. Do it. What's stopping you? Hit the button. Hit the other button. Yeah. Do it. I'm not going to do this until you do it. I'm not going to get any more rubbing action until you hit like and subscribe. I'm assuming that you've liked and subscribed now, so back to Rub-a-Dub City. Yes, sir. Ratty Shat Towel, beautiful M1 Garand. Bunghole is moist. That's all you need in life. Moist bung, ratty towel, and an oiled M1. Everything's all there. The joys of cleaning your gun. and then cleaning your gun a second time, and then cleaning your gun a third time, and then cleaning... Well, there you have it, folks. A freshly oiled and cleaned barrel of an M1 Garand. I hope you enjoyed watching this, but Invisible Marvin, what do you think? He's a little shy. He'll talk on his own time. But yeah, with that, I am the greatness that is soon to be BangMung, and I'm and I am the greatness that is soon to be BangMung, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta!